Dear students, you're welcome on Learning with L and R. Today I would like to talk with you regarding the new topic, that is method of teaching. The name of the topic is seminar. First of all, the introduction. A seminar is an instructional technique which involves generating a situation for a group to have guided interaction among themselves on a theme which is generally presented to the group by one or more members. Okay. In this one topic discussed by the experts. Definition: seminar is an instructional technique of higher learning which involves paper reading on a theme and followed by the group discussion to clarify the complex aspects of the theme. In this, the expert or the speaker read the paper related to the topic, and after that the discussion begins and the speaker clarify the question or query of the audience. The main objectives are mainly divided into two types: cognitive objectives and affective objectives. What is that? Cognitive objectives, under this, to develop the higher cognitive abilities, thinking, or this is related to the mental ability. That is analysis, synthesis and evaluation. Person can think or analyze, synthesis or evaluate. To develop the ability of responding, that is valuing, organizing. To develop the ability of keen observation, experience, feeling and to present them effectively. To develop the ability to seek clarification and defend the ideas of other effectively. Person can clarify the query of the others and can defend their own idea. This provides the critical thinking to the person. Then affective objectives: to develop the feeling to tolerate the opposite ideas of others, because our ideas are unique and our ideas never match with others. Okay, because everyone have a unique personality, have their own ideas according to that. To develop the feeling of cooperation: when we respect the opposite ideas of the person, it means we are ready to cooperate with others. To develop the emotional stability among the participants of seminar. To acquire a good manner of putting questions and to answer the questions of other effectives. Roles of seminar technique. In organizing a seminar, the following roles are performed. First one is organizer, president or chairman, participant or observers. Role of organizer: the main organizer can organize the theme, organize the program, plan the seminar and schedule that. Okay. Responsibility of an organizer is to plan and prepare the entire program of the seminar. To decide the theme, decide the topic, it is decided by the organizer. Assign the parts of theme to different person, because there are different speakers. That's why we can divide that particular theme in a points. Okay. He decides that who will be the speaker. Then president can direct the whole program and keeps the discussion on the theme of seminar. Then speaker can prepare the topic given by the president or given by the organizer. They prepare the topic thoroughly and Xerox copies of papers are prepared and distributed among the participants before the commencement of the topic. So the participants should also prepare themselves for the topic. The speaker should be ready to define the questions. The role of participants. Participants can listen the speaker or can put the question and clarify their doubts. Participants should be well acquainted with theme. They are mostly interested with the theme, with the topic. They should appreciate the performance of the speaker. They should be able to put questions and seek clarification. There are 25 to 30 participants in seminar. Role of observer. Some guests and observers are also invited to observe the activity. Okay. Procedure of seminar. Organizers select the theme and organize the seminar. Okay. Chairman conduct the activities of the seminar and direct the seminar on theme. They provide the direction of the topic. Speaker speaks about the theme or speaks about the topic given to them. There are group discussion after the lecture or after the paper reading. Participants seek clarification and put questions. Observers observe the activity of the seminar. Observers are the expert of that particular field or related to that particular theme. Okay. Types of seminar. There are 4 types of seminar: mini seminar, main seminar, national and international seminar. What does it mean? Mini seminar. A seminar organized to discuss a topic in class is known as mini seminar. When we organize the seminar in classroom, that is mini seminar. Main seminar, when we organize the seminar in our department or in our institution, that is the main seminar. National seminar, when organized by an association at national level. International seminar, when the organization such as UNESCO organize the seminar, WHO organize the seminar, that is international seminar. Advantages of seminar method. It is stimulate the thinking and develop the critical thinking. Stimulation of thinking developed by seminar. Tolerance of other views develops. Okay. When we sit in the seminar, we can tolerate the opposite ideas and we cooperate with other people. Their seminar teaches us to tolerate, to cooperate, to broad our idea. Okay, openness. Represents the norms of behavior. In the seminar, we control our emotions. When someone talk about the disadvantages or opposite ideas, or we defend with positive thinking, that time we can respect the opposite, the person who present the opposite idea, or we do not aggressive in front of the other. We maintain the balance in our personality. It has great instructional values. The instruction given by the organizer, we can accept these instructions. It's the natural way of learning. Then there are some limitation of seminar because every coin has its 2 sides. Seminar cannot be organized on all the content of subject matter. We can take some part, we can take some point, but we do not present each and everything. Technique cannot be used in all levels of education. Okay. Then, in conclusion, seminar is a method of teaching mostly used for higher education. At college level, we can use seminar. It is an instructional technique which involves paper reading on a theme. It includes the group discussion to clarify the complex aspect of theme. The students learns to develop the ability of keen observation of experience and feelings of tolerance to the opposite ideas of others. I hope you have clear with this topic, that is seminar, or it's the method of teaching. Thank you so much.